In world news, Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado presented her 2025 Nobel Peace Prize medal to President Trump.
The White House confirmed President Trump did keep Machado's Nobel Peace Prize, an award he's long publicly said he deserves.
On January 15, 2026, Venezuela's opposition leader Maria Corina Machado shockingly presented her Nobel Peace Prize medal to US President Donald Trump at the White House. This action of Maria has shocked the entire world as well as the people of Venezuela. While Maria was seen as a voice of democracy, this move has now placed her under scrutiny. Norwegian politicians have condemned Machado's action as absurd decision. Raymond Johansen, the Labour former governing mayor of Oslo, who is now Secretary General of Norwegian People's Aid, said the situation was unbelievably embarrassing and damaging. He said Machado's actions could damage the reputation of the Nobel Peace Prize and the Nobel Committee. While the Norwegian Foreign Ministry declined to comment, saying the prize was independent of the Norwegian government and referred instead to the Norwegian Nobel Committee, which did not immediately respond to requests for comment. On the other hand, President Trump has now accepted it. In return, he praised Maria as a wonderful woman and described it a wonderful gesture of mutual respect.
Well, she offered it to me. I thought it was very nice. She said, you know, you've ended 8 wars and nobody deserves this prize more than in history than you do. And I thought it was a very nice gesture. And by the way, I think she's a very fine woman and we'll be talking again.
Questioned about accepting another person's Nobel Prize, President Trump said, "She offered it to me. I thought it was very nice and I appreciated the gesture," adding that Machado told him he had ended 8 wars and that nobody deserves this prize more than you do. After presenting the award to Trump, Machado said she did so as a recognition for his unique commitment with our freedom.
I presented the President of the United States the medal of the Nobel Peace Prize
and a recognition for his unique commitment with our freedom.
He deserves it.
Meanwhile, the Norwegian Nobel Committee said it would not involve itself in the ongoing controversy over the presentation of the medal to a politician. The award body also clarified that there are no restrictions on what a laureate may do with their medal, the diploma or the prize money. This shows that a laureate is free to keep, give away, sell or donate these items. A day after Machado's gesture for Trump made headlines, the Norwegian Nobel Committee and the Norwegian Nobel Institute have clarified that once a Nobel Peace Prize is awarded, it cannot be transferred, shared, reassigned or revoked. This is a fundamental principle in the Foundation's statutes established under Alfred Nobel's will. It may be noted that according to the Norwegian Nobel Committee, a Nobel Peace Prize laureate is awarded 2 key symbols of the honor, a gold medal and a diploma with the prize money granted separately. Regardless of what happens to the medal, diploma or prize money afterward, the individual originally named remains the official recipient recorded in history. Although a laureate may dispose of the physical medal or prize money as they wish, but the official title and honor stays with the original laureate. Even if the medal or diploma later passes into someone else's possession, this does not change who was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. It means the prize remains historically and officially attributed to the original laureate. Adding that a Nobel Peace Prize cannot be revoked. Neither Alfred Nobel's will nor the statutes of the Nobel Foundation allow for this. Once a laureate is announced, the decision is final and permanent. Maria Machado is Venezuela's opposition leader who won 2025 Nobel Peace Prize in October 2025 for her efforts to promote democratic rights in Venezuela and push the country from dictatorship toward democracy. After that, Machado dedicated the prize to the Venezuelan people and to Trump, praising his support for her country's democratic movement. But in January 2026, she dramatically announced that she would like to give or share her Nobel Peace Prize with Trump, who oversaw the US raid that removed Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro.